In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OneDrive to File Explorer. This is a simple yet incredibly useful process that can help you streamline the way you access and manage your files, making it easier to stay organized and efficient. Now, whether you're using OneDrive for work, school, or personal projects, having it integrated into File Explorer can greatly enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, ensure you have a Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, you can easily set it up by heading to the Microsoft website and following their straightforward registration process. Once you're all set with your account, make sure it's linked to Windows. For most people, signing into Windows with a Microsoft account usually does this automatically, but it's always good to double-check if you're logged in with the right one. Next, proceed to download OneDrive if it's not already installed on your computer. On most Windows computers, OneDrive comes pre-installed, but in case it's missing, visit the Microsoft website. There, you can find the download link for the latest version of OneDrive. Downloading and installing it is straightforward, just follow the on-screen prompts. Once OneDrive is properly installed, you'll want to open the application. You can find it by clicking the Start menu and typing OneDrive into the search bar. When OneDrive pops up, open it, and you'll be asked to sign in. Use the Microsoft account that you previously set up. Upon logging in, OneDrive will guide you through some initial settings, such as selecting folders to sync with your PC. Pay attention to these options. Syncing only the folders you need can save valuable space and bandwidth. After the initial setup is complete, you should see OneDrive in File Explorer. Open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar, and you'll notice OneDrive as an option on the left-hand side, likely under Quick Access or directly beneath your user files. This integration makes it super convenient to drag and drop files in and out of OneDrive, just like you would with any other folder on your computer. Now all your synced files can be accessed directly through here without needing to open a web browser. For optimal use, ensure your files are constantly syncing. You'll see a small cloud icon in the notification area on your taskbar. Clicking on this will show you the sync status. If there are any issues, an exclamation mark might appear, and clicking it will guide you through troubleshooting steps. It's important to regularly check this, especially if you depend on real-time updates. There you have it. OneDrive is now successfully added to File Explorer, allowing you to manage your cloud files as easily as you manage your local ones. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the seamless experience of having OneDrive integrated into your File Explorer.